Hey guys, this is Tattoo Tony. Welcome back to another video, and thank you for watching. Please stick around. You're going to love this video. We're going to explore the inside of an abandoned home with quite a few items left behind, and it's kind of curious because it just makes you wonder what happened to the family. Here's a photograph, or two photographs that we found inside the home, as well as some photographs of the homes we will be poking in and around today. This abandoned home, we look around back in the garage. Well, these are all located in Alton, Illinois. Andrew found a list of 160 more homes that are to be demolished this year. Some of them are already gone. Some of them were gone in 2020. At one point, there are so many empty lots in this town, you would just not believe it, where homes and buildings used to stand. This was an industrial town similar to a Rust Belt town. There was a large oil refinery in operation, steel mills, the largest glass bottle maker in the whole world at one point. They made ammunition, bullets, disc plows. Prosperity was crazy for industrial workers and blue-collar working-class people. That money also trickled out into the city, small businesses selling all kinds of goods, and small business owners would have made plenty of money and made a good living from all these hard-working men and women that worked in industry. Some of these industries employed several thousand people per shift change, and a lot of these industries are either completely gone today and or are a shell of what they once were. And this is kind of the aftermath in a town that was once very prosperous. There are just so many empty lots around this town. So what me and Andrew are going to be doing over the next months, as quickly as possible, is going out and filming as much of what's left, because at one point there were abandoned, unboarded properties all over the place, and they've been on a new kick, the city, where they're trying to demolish and get rid of the stuff.
Look at this old fan.
And improve the, quote-unquote, improve the housing stock, so they're moving at a rapid pace to wipe this stuff out.
I think it was going to go like that. No way. What, Andrew? I don't know. They were like collecting them. That's a piece of an old Christmas tree.
Trust those?
Nope, but these used to all be open, man. This sucks. It sucks. Man. Okay, now we gotta be kind of quiet because somebody lives in that other house next to us. Alright, let me. You put coffee on one side and ash your cigarettes on the other. And what happens to these families? Where do they go? Like, they own these little houses. You can see they don't have a lot of money. And then, look, here's an old family photo.
Yeah, no, I got it.
Is there any more of this old?
Upstairs.
Really?
I said you like it upstairs. I filmed you second.
Well, then unfilm it. Is there another level? Hey Andrew, I remember when I thought these tiny houses were neat on this corner. Like, I thought they were pretty cool because they were like tall, tiny houses. And I remember when people still lived in here. It looks like there's old people and younger people here by the stuff that I'm finding. This man died in 2013. That's from the last year that somebody lived here. Hydromorphone. Guys, if I have to blur these out, you know, there's a bunch of like hydromorphone, cyclobenzaprine, like muscle relaxers, painkillers. There was also some stuff that I think is like a anyways, like somebody was taking some heavy duty medication. But I think it looks like there was somebody elderly living here and probably some younger people, maybe a later lady with her kid, or maybe elderly people whose grandchildren were visiting.
How do you know?
Based on the stuff I'm finding. Get the front of this place. Hey dude, bare minimum we got one cool video.
Which is cool.
Huh?
That's cool.
Do I have to block your words out?
Dude.
Hey, your favorite word is dude. That's what people always say. Hey, I was going to put this in the video. Me too. Son of a frickin' butter. You know, it'd really suck
What?
if you sliced your leg open on that glass.
That would suck.
Bad.
I'm just standing here.
Why we're not in it? They're what?
Some of these areas are pretty bad.
Yeah, but it's a different kind of bad. Over here, like, people punch people in the face and stab them, and there's a lot of domestics and stuff. Oh man, there's a basement. Holy cow, dude. Actually, dude, it depends on how you look at it, because I'm going to tell you something. I'm going to put this in the video.
There is some gun violence, though.
Yeah, there is. You're correct.
It's not as bad as
Well, and that's the thing when
other
you...
areas.
Well, this area, actually, the city of Alton, on a crime rate total, is 400% higher than the national average. You probably already should know that, though. You've been living here for a while, huh? One size fits all.
Gloves?
What was this, the washroom?
Yeah, there's a tub.
Oh, a bathroom down here? I'll be daggone. Hey, Andrew. Went to some of these and just walked around. I'll tell you what, somebody gives us a problem. You just let me do the talking.